In this video, we will see what an assignment operator is and how to use the assignment operator in our C program. As the name suggests, an assignment operator is used to assign a value to a variable. For example, in the first expression, we have x equal to 10, which means 10 is assigned to the variable x. In the second expression, we have y equal to x, which means the value of x is assigned to y, right? In the third expression, we have z equal to x plus y plus 1, which means the value of the expression x plus y plus 1 is assigned to the variable z, right? In these three examples, if you observe, we have an LHS and an assignment operator which is equal to and an RHS, right? If you see the LHS, the left hand side is always a variable, right? And then we have the assignment operator equal to, and the right hand side can be a constant or a variable or even an expression, right? So since this assignment operator has two operands, which has a right hand side and a left hand side, this is a binary operator, right? So this is how we assign values to a variable, right? We can even have a multiple assignment expression like this. Here in this example, in this expression, we have x equal to y equal to z equal to 100, right? It means all the variables x, y and z will have the value 100, right? Many times you may need to have a variable which is on the left hand side also appears on the right hand side, right? Something like this, right? In this expression we have x equal to x plus 2. Here x appears in the left hand side as well as the right hand side, right? So this statement can be written as x plus equal to 2, which is a shorthand notation of x equal to x plus 2, right? In this case, plus equal to is an assignment operator, right? This is a shorthand notation. Whenever we have a variable on the left hand side also appears on the right hand side, in that case we may be able to write the complete expression in a shorthand notation or a compressed version of the complete, right? So in this case we have seen how to use plus or addition in the shorthand notation. Similarly we can have other binary operators like subtraction, multiplication, division, remainder operator, which are all these are arithmetic operators, and we can have bitwise operators like left shift, right shift, bitwise and bitwise or, and even XOR operation, right? We will see all these bitwise operators in the next videos. All these operators can be used in the form of shorthand notation, right? For example, the expression x equal to x minus 10 can be written as x minus equal to 10, right? In the second example we can see that we have written x equal to x by 4 in shorthand notation like x slash equal to 4, right? In the third example we can see that we have written x equal to x star y plus 2 as a shorthand notation. In this case you should notice the brackets, right? We have y plus 2 as a single expression, so the y plus 2 will be evaluated first and then the resultant, the value of y plus 2 will be multiplied with x, and then the value of the expression x star y plus 2 will be assigned to x, right? So this is how we use assignment operator in C.